Good evening. You're welcome to the news on Dayo Agbola Radio TV. My name is Ayotunde Ayodiran. First, the headlines. President Buhari hosts APC officers to a dinner. First Nigerian appointed Harvard professor. Send us on pilgrimage. Traditional worshippers tell governor-elects. Now the news in full. President Muhammadu Buhari has hosted all elected officers under the APC banner at the just concluded elections in Nigeria to a dinner at the banquet hall of the presidential villa, Abuja. Present at the dinner are all APC governors, senators, House of Representative members, the party chairman, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, the Secretary to the Federal Government of Nigeria, Mr. Boss Mustafa, and other presidential aides. Governors of Kogi, Jigawa, Oyo, Kaduna, Kebbi, Zamfara, Borno, Yobe, Plateau, Osun, and Lagos states were also in attendance. The full agenda of the dinner is unknown as at press time, but it is likely to address the zoning formula of the election of new Senate President for the 9th National Assembly. In a related development, the Buhari Media Organization has said that the suit filed by the presidential candidate at the just conclude of the People's Democratic Party at the just concluded general elections, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, lacks merit. According to Niyi Akinshiju and Kasidi Madueke, the organization's chairman, and respectively, the suit is a waste of time. The organization said Atiku is using the suit to hoodwink Nigerians and also waste the time of the judiciary, while noting that Alhaji Atiku has a constitutional right to exercise by approaching the courts. The group said if the elections were to hold 10 times, President Muhammadu Buhari will defeat Alhaji Atiku Abubakar 10 times. A 42-year-old Nigerian, Dalia Umuna, has become the first Nigerian to be appointed a professor at the Harvard School of Law. She was appointed clinical professor of law. Umuna has been a lecturer in Harvard University since 2007. She is deputy director and clinical instructor at Harvard Law School, Criminal Justice Institute, CJI. She has authored many publications. Traditional worshippers in Oyo State have advised the governor-elect of the state, Engineer Seyi Makinde, not to discriminate against them or their religion. The traditional worshippers, under the aegis of the Traditional Religious Worshippers Association of Nigeria, also requested Engineer Makinde to pick the secretary to the state government from one of their worshippers, while acknowledging that both the governor-elect and his deputy are both Christian and Muslim respectively. They opine that to complete the circuit, a member of their group must be appointed as a secretary to the state government. They also advocated that the governor-elect should endeavor to send them on pilgrimage, just as it is being done to adherents of both Christian and Muslim religion. This was contained in a congratulatory letter by the association to the governor-elect and signed by their president, Desola Adefabi, and other officers of the association. Now foreign news. Stacia Alishid has been fatally killed in a home in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. She was age 30. According to reports, her death, which was described as domestic violence, was said to be the first homicide in the small town since 1986. Stacia, a prosecutor who was said to be shot by her ex-husband, Medina Espinosa, who is still being held pending charges. The alleged crime was committed in the presence of Stacia's 5-year-old daughter, who is now in the care of family members. Domestic violence is about power and control, and it is a learned behavior that is common to all human society. With that, we have come to the end of the news today on Dayo Agbola Radio TV. Please join me next time as I bring the news again. My name is Ayotunde Ayodiran. Thank you very much for listening, and God bless.